Hey everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your different applications on your LG TV. So you can see this little app scrolly wheel, go all the way to the right, go to Edit App List, and when we're under this list, all you have to do is go above the app you want to delete, and then there should be a trash can option. So just like this one, Just Dance Now, I don't know why I have this on here, so I can just go to the delete option, and I can delete it. V-Games, I'm not sure what that is either, so I'm going to delete that. Microsoft Copilot, I don't think I ever need that. LG Radio, might want that. So just go through this list and you can decide what you want, and then you can click down on it, and you can move to the left or right. Pluto TV, that's already on the live TV guide, so I don't really need that on the front. So you can just arrange this the way you want, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.